Back at it with the 4Runner again. So can't really see it, but there is a slight coolant leak right where the water pump and the thermostat housing would be. So I would figure that if I'm going to do the thermostat or the water pump, I might as well do the timing belt. All I know is that the timing belt was done back in 2019, but the speedo wasn't working, so the odometer wasn't working at the time. And now that I got it fixed, peace of mind, might as well do the timing belt, water pump, thermostat, etc. Now there's other videos out there showing you how to do it, and I just thought I'd make a video of documenting my experience of doing it. Maybe I might have a different method. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll give it a shot. little bit of tip here. This one you're gonna have to be very technical and gentle. This thing doesn't come out by hand. So in order to get the harmonic balancer out, I have this pulley tool that's not correct, but it'll do the job. This is to pop out a bowl joint. So you're gonna turn it little by little, don't too much. You're gonna turn it, but also at the same time wiggle it, right? Just very little PV blaster. So at the same time, oh, it's getting loose. I'm wiggling it while turning it. It's gotten really loose. So now, do this by hand. So if you don't have the proper tool, but you have a ball joint pulling tool, this is an option. Wouldn't recommend it. You gotta be super careful when you do stuff like this before you damage the harmonic balancer, but looks like it's coming out. Oh wait, take the bolt out. There we go.
But I guess I love you.
Yo, what's the war, son? Who's the Austin? Many brothers I be sparking and busting, man, like inside the dark. Call me Bill Snatcher, just a brother for the rapture. I hang live, holding on strong, hard to capture. Extravagant, resurrect the track and it's militant. And I react like a convict and start killing shit. It's manifested. The God's work like appliances, dealing in my saber.
Everything seems to be working fine on this car. Took it for a test drive. Everything works. New thermostat works. There's fireworks going off and stuff like that because it's the 4th of July as I'm filming this. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that in the it's probably too dark. Either way, there's a tree in the way. Yeah, mad fireworks. Either way, water pump timing belt is a success. Thermostat success. So yeah, hopefully this gave someone an idea of what it takes to get the water pump and timing belt done. As you can see, it did take a lot of time. But yeah, happy 4th as I'm filming this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, see you next time.
What's the invisible spear doing here? Maybe their master is around here.